niragambira abanyantungamo atakagira wabatimseza atakagira wabatetemesa mutakagira kweraritserera muyimuke izoba rencha kare kandi muyimuke kare mugende muzaha polling station zanyu mutera akaruuru obusingye korabe noreba ngo tokubasa okipinga 20 meters kuruga aha polling station yotera akaruuru kawe ugarukomuka runaka radio kawe ningoteho TV ogume noreba updates ezukufa omuchanga cyane.
If you've got your voter location slip, come with it. If you have your national ID, come with it. Those two will be able to ease the process when they are verifying you with your biometrics. But in case you don't have any of them, don't worry. You go to where you are to vote from, they will check your name in the register, they will scan your name, and you'll be able to be identified and be able to vote. So let's just do the way we've been doing it. There's nothing different. What's different this time is that you will not vote through any other person's name. In other words, there is no impersonation. You come, if you are carrying someone's ID, that is wrong. You will not be able to be given a ballot paper. You will be rejected at the polling station. Some of you who may want to grab ballot papers, that ballot paper will not be scanned, will not be verified, and therefore will not be counted.
So twitekatekire ukuzo mukaruraka abo kwa karuraka batushomise ko turakatera yezo gamba zakera karuko funane suka kandi kwibore bene tuketebe kandi zidatenyenza kaza karuma zibona tukatera muzika
tarashonga yona akaruru nimpamyana kaza kugenda je hatariho buzibogona
twekanise kutera kare shayibiri banashira kutera karuru kandi kakatera umuntu uri kutukora
okwetorora district ya Ntungamo amagombora bona 38 hamwe na town councils okutera akaruru kwija kuba nokutandika shaha yemeza kasheshe kandi abantu baruka omitwaro akutara bakurenge mitwaro 3 ko barije okwetaba omukutera akaruru ahabwa district yetu ya Ntungamo omashaza 5 agarumo na Entebe ya Ntungamo municipality Kajara Rushenyi Ruhama East hamwe na Ruhama Main ko kano na Entebe y'abacara ibyo kwirinda nabyo byanywezibwe mu rugombora